Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 7 October 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Remember, the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk has recently taken control of the America handle on X, formerly known as Twitter, to promote Donald Trump's presidential campaign. This move has stirred up concerns regarding the platform's political neutrality. The handle, which had been registered by another user since 2010, was transferred to Musk without any clear justification related to company interests or copyright issues. Musk's new account, created in October 2024, features a bio encouraging followers to understand his support for Trump through the newly established America PAC. This incident is reminiscent of a previous situation where Musk's company took the @X handle from its original owner, Gene-X Wang, during the rebranding of Twitter to X. While X's policies do allow for the repossession of handles, this particular case seems politically motivated, as the original @America user had previously criticized both Musk and Trump. Following the takeover, the original account was renamed to America123112. And its owner has not been active since May 2020. Musk's actions have sparked a debate about the ethical implications of using his position to promote a political agenda, contradicting his earlier claims of wanting X to remain politically neutral. Critics argue that this takeover exemplifies a misuse of power, as it serves to advance Musk's personal political preferences rather than the interests of the platform or its users. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these updates on Elon Musk and his ventures insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories. Join us again tomorrow for more news and updates. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.